In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the TradingView Heatmap. This feature is incredibly useful for traders and investors looking to get a quick visual overview of market trends. It allows you to see the performance of stocks in a clear and intuitive way, providing you with critical insights at a glance. Let's begin by getting started on TradingView. First, you'll want to focus your attention at the top of the TradingView screen. Here, you'll find a variety of options and features available for users. The one you're looking for to access the heat map is labeled Products. It's typically located towards the left-hand side of the top menu. Clicking on Products will reveal a drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, you'll see several selections, but what you need to focus on is the option labeled Screeners. The screeners on TradingView are powerful tools designed to help users filter and analyze different types of financial instruments. By selecting Screeners, you're one step closer to accessing the heat map. Once you've clicked on Screeners, you'll notice that the screen presents you with even more options related to various market tools and analysis features. Now, direct your attention to the section labeled Heat Map. Under this category, you'll see several options. Your target here is to focus on Stock. By selecting Stock, you will access the Stock Heat Map view. This heat map is a vibrant and informative visual representation of stock performance. You'll be greeted with a grid-like map, each cell representing a different stock. The color and size of each cell indicate the stock's performance, with different hues and intensities representing changes in market value. This makes it incredibly easy to quickly assess which stocks are performing well and which aren't, allowing you to make more informed investment decisions. A handy tip as you explore the heat map is to take advantage of the customization features available on TradingView. You can adjust the heat map settings to focus on different sectors or time frames. This flexibility allows you to tailor the view to meet your specific needs or interests, whether you're tracking tech stocks over a day or analyzing energy stocks over a month. And that's it. You've successfully opened the TradingView heat map. Remember, using this tool regularly can vastly improve your market knowledge, as it provides an at-a-glance view of the stock market's current state. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to investing, the heat map is an invaluable resource. By now, you should feel comfortable accessing it through the TradingView platform. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.